You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly, the French specialty as well as the cookie made primarily, I believe, of coconut. So you have the French word and the English specialty. There are different pronunciations. French pronunciation is macaron. That's how it's said in France, macaron. If you cannot pronounce French, especially that on sound that is very nasal, macaron, macaron, you can say, not macaron, macaron. Now in English, and it's usually a different dessert. It's pronounced as macaroon, macaroon. Those are little coconut biscuits. Macaroon or macaron. Did you get the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.